Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I am creating a card which is like a Chocobox card. So it's two-in-one projects where it's a card with a pocket inside where you can place a chocolate. It's a great gift for someone who like sweets, and it's always a surprise for the people who receive them because the card is very heavy and they do not they have no idea what is inside. So for my card I'm using a beautiful collection from Lemoncraft. It's called Sweet Secrets. It's got a lot of wooden pattern papers in browns with a little bit of light pink. I'm also using like ready-made base for the card. You can buy them in the store. You can also make a base like that, but for me it's just time saving when I use the prepared one. I have pre-cut some papers and I will be sticking them on the outside and inside of my card, on the bigger part and on the smaller as well. I'm not sticking the paper on the back cover, but if you want you can of course do it. I have prepared some embellishments to go on my card. I've got a little piece of chipboard background. I've got elements which I cut out of the Lemoncraft papers, clocks and very cute butterflies. I have printed the sentiment. It is in Polish, but it says like for my lovely grandma, because this card is for grandmother. I also have die cut leaves. These are all die cuts from my own range of dies, Lady E design, and I have made some Formulan flowers in the light pink to go well with the pink which is on my first layer on the paper. This card hasn't got too many elements and the composition is not very big, so I will leave you with some music to see how I put them all together, and I will talk to you later. To finish my card, I'm adding splashes. I've got white acrylic paint mixed with a little bit of water and that funny brush which will give me very little splats. I also have a chocolate to show you how the finished project look. You can put the chocolate inside the pocket inside the card. The inside is quite plain at the moment, but I will finish it off later. I'm going to print some wishes and a little sentiment to go inside as well. And that's it for today. I hope you will feel inspired and maybe create similar project. Please visit Lemoncraft blog for lots of lovely inspirations and Lemoncraft store for fantastic products. I will try to list all the products used below the video, so if you will be looking for the products, check there. And also I'm hoping you will be back here later for more videos. It was really nice to create that tutorial for you, and I hope you will use it to create your own projects. Thank you very much. Have a lovely creative day. Bye!